Welcome to Inventec here at SMT Nuremberg. I'm joined by Niklas Stiel from RIEBESAM, which is a cleaning company, or a company that manufactures cleaning equipment.
Yeah.
Welcome, Niklas. And on my left, I'm joined by Jan-Henrik Zazisko from Inventec. Welcome,
Hello.
Jan.
Hello, Trevor.
Okay.
Nice to have you here again.
Thank you. Now, we're here to talk to both gentlemen about a new machine that's been launched and a new system, a new process here at the show. It's precision cleaning in a co-solvent process. So, Niklas, can you tell me a little bit, first of all, about the machine? How does it work? What is the concept here?
Yeah, okay. The machine is made for precision cleaning in the electronic business, or in the optical business, or in the fine mechanical business. And it takes off residues, small residues, up down to minor 5 microns. Mm-hmm. This is performance which other processes in the chamber washing process or in the inline process not can fulfill. Mm-hmm. And on the other side also we take off fluxes.
Okay.
Yeah?
So it takes off different residues and fluxes from the board.
And it's a process which is not water process. So mm-hmm. There's no water in, just detergents and solvents.
Solvents, okay. So maybe, Jan, you could come in and tell me a little bit about what sort of solvents and chemistries we're using inside this machine.
Okay, we are using here for cleaning hydrocarbon solvent. In this case, it's Top Clean EL20A, which is excellent for solar resins, residues of solar processes. Mm-hmm. And we are using a 3M product, which is Norvec IPA 71, which is for rinsing actually. So we have the cleaner, which is Top Clean EL20A, and for rinsing and vapor phase we have the Norvec, which is an HFE.
HFE, so that's an environmentally friendly product.
This is an environmentally friendly product, especially used in this kind of machine. So there's no flammability, there's no toxicity, and the usage is also very low. It can be recycled, it will be recycled actually, up to 95 or even more percent of the HFE. Mm-hmm. German law applies here, and this means that you must not lose more than 30 grams per hour of lifetime of this machine, which adds up of a maximum consumption of HFE of 260 kilogram per year if you're using the machine 24 hours, 365 days a year.
Right. Okay. So, Niklas, I believe it uses a step-down system for processing the chemistry. Can you explain a little bit to our viewers how that works inside the machine here?
The technique of the machine, yeah. We have a 2-bath or 2-tank system. Both tanks are ultrasonic supported. In the first tank, which is heated and circulated separately from the second tank, besides the heating, we have a cooling system on top. Yeah? The cleaning is done by ultrasonic support, which is changeable between certain frequencies. We recommend always to start with a more powerful, harder ultrasonic to take the bigger or the greater particles away, because the greater particles are always on top of a product.
Okay, no? So for example, it will start with the
50 microns, for instance. Mm-hmm. And then we go from this process to the second bath, which is then a rinsing and drying situation. Mm-hmm. And in the rinsing, we also give ultrasonic with a different frequency, and we can go down below 5 microns per particle, okay, which is a very good performance. Mm-hmm. And then you go from this rinsing process into the drying zone, and from the drying zone you go out, and there are no remaining parts on the products, and the products are really completely dry. Right. And the total process time is between 12 and 15 minutes.
Okay. So, Niklas, what sort of residues does this process leave?
When it's fine mechanical process, then we have small metallic parts which has to take away. Yeah? Or if it is solder process, then we have to take the solder parts, then the flux away. Yeah? And so we have per process different, how you say, obstacles to overcome and to solve. Yeah? And dust, etc., is also certainly taken away from this machine. Right. Because everything is filtered, and as we filter this, all this remains in the filtration process.
Okay. Yeah? So you have a filtration system at the side of the machine. Okay.
Yes.
Good, good. Now, finally, if I could finish with you, Jan, let's talk a little bit about the cost of the process compared to a normal, say, water-based rinse or washing cycle.
Okay, if you consider everything, meaning also water treatment, energy cost, time, working time, because this process is much faster than water-based cleaning, it ends up about 15, 20, 30% cheaper, depending on how much you're cleaning.
Okay. So it's
part of the much superior cleaning result in most cases.
Right. And that does it change depending on the volume of boards you're cleaning?
Of course, it's changing very much with the volume. Generally, you can say the higher the volume, the more savings you get, because time is expensive, water treatment is expensive. But with this new kind of machine, even for small batches, the cost saving is very important for smaller productions.
Right. Okay. Well, it certainly seems very interesting, and thank you, gentlemen, for showing it to us. So there you have it. That is the new co-solvent process here from Inventec and RIEBESAM. This is Trevor Galbraith reporting for Global SMT at SMT Nuremberg.